Okay, good day, folks. Here we are at Northern Grower Life. Time to check on the tent, see how everything's going. We got day 68 in the flower tent. Day 19 over here in this veg tent. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, look at them beauties go. And I've had them on 24 hours light because I was doing some time lapse. Unfortunately, our little freak show seeds did not pop. I had two of them in there, and that one in the back there didn't pop either, so looks like I'm gonna have to start a couple seeds in some water overnight with peroxide, see if I can get them going. The guy who sent them to me said that there had reportedly been some germination challenges, so guess I'll try and step up my game, but in the meantime, these puppies are just roasting along. I'm switching them back to 18 starting tonight because they need that rest period. I'm hoping it's not gonna switch them to flower, but today is topping day, so we're gonna snip these tops off. Let me go grab my snips. Okay. What are we looking at here? So this one over here, just gonna get that very top. See, just like that. Snip the top out. You don't want to get it too close. It's okay to leave a little bit of a nub there. Same with this one. Gonna snip it right below the node there. Oh no, hang on, I don't want to get that other one in there. Okay, so we see where we're at. That one comes off. And there you go, you can see the piece of stem that's left. It's best not to go too close. If you go too close, sometimes a little bit of rot gets into the stem and screw things up. And there, they've been topped. And with any luck, that won't shock them enough to send them into flower, and they'll continue for, they're on day 19, I'd say at least another week to 2 weeks of veg if we're lucky. I won't hold my breath on that one. Yeah. This area is going to be getting cleaned up and going soon because I'll have to start some seeds in that area. Dispose of the tops. Okay. Oh, I didn't have a bowl. Duh. Okay. Yeah, so let me see. I don't have it. Oh, I think they're good for another day at least. Damn seedling, huh? Nothing sprouting on them yet. It's been almost a week, so I'd say they're duds. I'll give them another drink. Let them go another day. See what happens. You just use a bottle with take it some tack and pop a few holes in the bottom of it, and top, I mean, and that gives me a nice little squirt bottle for watering them puppies. Well, that's it for today for the veg tent. Everything's looking good. Got the humidity up to 28. That's pretty high indoor this time of year. Outdoor, you know, in this area, it's like 95%. But for some reason, even though you have the window open, the air that's sucked in dries out pretty quick. Well, I don't bother with dehumidifiers or anything. I just add water to reservoirs. Right now, these reservoirs have water in them, and the heating pad is going. So that brought the temperature up a little bit, and therefore rises the humidity as well. So far, these girls are looking great. They don't have any deficiencies. I do need to check the power real quick, because the last time, the other ones that are in the flower tent took a hit on the power was too high. Kind of burnt them. I use this Photon app, and it works pretty good, actually. It's fairly consistent. Lets me know what I'm at. So looks like at the canopy we're at about a 300, 320. Yeah, 320. So that's not too bad for veg. Don't want to go too much higher in that area at the moment. Keep an eye on her if we start having any tockling or yellowing of the tips. Obviously, they're both, you know, highly indica because we got some very fat leaflets going on. Okay. Close that puppy up for the day. Done and done. Let's go take a look at the veg. I mean the flower tent. Okay. Well, as you can see, I chopped the one that was in the back, the little one, and I supercropped the tops on this one, just because she was reaching too much for the light, and it was still negatively affecting them. Par's at 800 at the canopy level right here now, so I didn't want to have it above the. When they were sticking up, they were getting closer to 1,000. It's still a little too high for autos, unfortunately. But yeah, that one was done, so I chopped her up and hung her. As long as they're not in direct light, I don't worry about the light pollution affecting the THC or anything. Fortunately, it is a little warm in here. 25 at the moment. 35% humidity, which is not too bad. Considering we're in flower, we don't want to be too much above 40 anyway. So 35 is pretty good. Everything's coming along nicely there. Hairs are starting to turn red. Flowers are bulking up. I just snipped them over there day before yesterday during the watering period, so I haven't started to curve or bend or anything. I think they might not, but these lower buds are gonna get the light they deserve now. And that's today's update. This one here is at day 68. I'm thinking she's got probably at least another week to 2 weeks. I'm leaning towards the 2 weeks. Anyway, so I'm going to probably give her 2 more feedings over the next week. Light feedings. And then I'll start the flushing process with fresh water. And that'll be the end of her. By then, the other 2 from this tent will be transferred over. I'm probably just going to give them a couple days in this tent to get over the topping shock that we just put them through and let them start actively growing again. And then by the end of the week, I'll have them moved over into the back 2 corners over here to thinking the power down that low for them should be perfect in the 300 to 400 range. And then as they transition into flower, I'll kick it up a notch once this one's out of the way. And that'll be how that goes. If you've made it this far, thanks for watching. And if you like this content, like and subscribe. And have a wonderful day. Take care.